Yeah, we got a pretty good blood trail.
There she is right there. She's down. She's down. Can't see her. She's blurred, but that's her right there.
Yeah, I see her. Let's go get her.
My oldest brother from Maryland just got down Saturday. Today's Monday. We decided to come do us a little bit of hunting. This is the first time I've ever had the privilege to take him hunting. This morning about 8:15, this big doe come out first. These two little ones was following her, followed by this medium-sized doe. My brother lined up a shot here. You can see this in the footage. After he shot this one over here ran out in the open. He got a shot on it. I thought it was just 3 does. I thought it was the big one and 2 little ones. So I decided to shoot the other little one, being as we ain't never killed one together like this. And I made a bad shot to begin with, and I followed up and made another shot, and still wasn't real sure. And seen one come back out in the open, and I put the crosshairs on her shoulder, and she hit the ground. So after we found the first 3 deer, we got looking around because I wanted to make sure there wasn't a 4th one out there and it go to waste. And sure enough, we found the 4th deer. So we both got to double up on the first time I've ever had the privilege to take my brother hunting.